Being that we're just out of Halloweenus of 2024, I had mentioned in my Halloweenus video, there's a link in the prescription to that, that I was looking for a particular light globe to replace a burned out one in one of the jackal lanterns out on the front stoop, not to be confused with the jackal lope, which is fast as fast can be, you'll never catch me. I bet nobody gets the reference. Well, anyway, I came across these that I forgot I picked up in my travels many years ago. Probably have had these for 17 years. The Trisonic 5-watt nightlight bulbs, bombillas, (5 watts, 125 volts, brass base, 2 bulbs. There's the part number. The back has really no further information. This bulb can be used for night lights, toys, indicator lights, and other relative appliances. Designed in USA, made in China, Trisonic, Liberty blah, but nightlight bulbs that are blacklight? Really? That's why I bought them. I'll never find this again. They probably don't make them anymore. I don't think I've ever powered either of these up. Dynatrack recently had posted a video showing all of his Halloweenus lights, and he had a standard, medium base, regular old light globe, black light in the fixture outside on his porch there, and I said, ooh, those often got really, really hot. I'd be a little cautious about running that, for a long time. And he's like, oh no, I don't leave it on overnight or anything like that. And I don't know how hard they are to get. I don't think those are banned because of all the bullshit surrounding all of that, because they are kind of a specialty bulb. But that doesn't mean that they haven't and or won't jack the price way insane. Okay, I think it's finally time to test one of these out. They look almost just a shade blue, but they're not. I actually held this up to the sunlight, and it was purple nurple the entire way, and it barely let any light through, so I couldn't even imagine what these are going to look like. I don't have a chance in hell of reading that info. So we're just going to go for broke and screw it in. That's good. I'll turn on power, and here we go. Wow! I mean, wow! Oh, yeah, she's getting pretty hot already. Alright, well, obviously we're going to have to turn the lights in here out, so let's do that. Yeah, that's kind of about it. It's pretty toasty up top. Even at only 5 watts, it's pretty toasty up top. I don't know if we can get a better shot of the filament and its structure. But a really, really oddball bulb. Something you'll probably never find again. Of course, it's just a Google search away, but who does that anymore, So let's see if I could unscrew that. It was a little crooked, but oh well. There we go. The bottom of it isn't too bad. And just while we're out here, let's fire the other one just to see. Again, it's exactly the same thing. Straighter. Oh, goody! Yeah, and this one is interesting. This does not seem to have as good of a coating, which is something else that I often remembered about blacklights, because if I turn it around, you see how it's like more purplier? I don't know if the camera can make it out, or if I go and kind of turn it like that, you can see the not so good paint job on it. All incandescent blacklights that I've ever seen have always been poor in terms of their paint job. Now, years and years ago, and I don't know that I've actually ever seen one of these in real life or even in a YouTube video, is a blacklight that is made out of the proper stuff, which is woods glass, which is a very, very, very dark blue to purple. We are getting a little bit of purple nurple going in there. I don't know that the camera can pick that out. But generally, I've been thoroughly unimpressed with any of the incandescent blacklights that I've ever seen. You know, this is actually still a little bit warm. I've been thoroughly unimpressed with any of the incandescent blacklights I've ever seen. See how much more purple that is? Even for how bad the camera picks it up? Definitely more purpley on that. I don't know. See, oh, it makes it... the camera doesn't pick it up. That is a weird effect on camera. But it turns the filament absolutely red. A deep, deep, deep red. When I do that, looking through two of them. So I've never seen one of these with the proper woods glass, but the performance of any of these type blacklights I've ever seen for the actual blacklight effect have been pretty much nil. The beer glass on my shirt is glow in the dark, so it definitely shows up under ultraviolet, and it's really not doing too much. Not really too much at all. And this also has that wonderful, like, burning paint smell as the coating cooks off. Maybe you could see it a little better with the other motion light out. If I don't move too much. Too late. These days, all of the UV bulbs that you're really going to find, for the most part, are LED, and they do a piss-poor job of emulating fluorescent. But fluorescent, in my opinion, was the absolute best you could get as far as blacklight bulbs. But how about that? A 5-watt nightlight bulb that is a blacklight. Anyway, that's all I got for you. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.